Hi friends, I'm Dr. Punit Jain. I'm a consultant hematologist, hemato-oncologist, and a bone marrow transplant physician and program coordinator for the hematology unit at Apollo Hospitals, Navi, Mumbai. On occasion of this Blood Cancer Day, I thought of interacting with you to tell you and make you aware about the types of blood cancers and how these things can be picked up. Now, if you talk of blood cancers, they are lower down the list among all the cancers. But these are important disorders which are life-threatening and it's important to know about them. Commonly, the blood cancers means disorders that origin from the blood cells in your body. Most commonly, the white blood cells, or disorders where you have dysplasias or myelodysplastic syndrome, where the production is affected and there is a tendency to develop a full-blown blood cancer. So when I talk of blood cancers, there are multiple myelomas, there are myelodysplastic syndromes, there are leukemias, acute, chronic, there is lymphomas. Most of them present in a particular fashion. They will have persistent fever spikes, you will have swellings on the neck or in the axilla, in the armpits or in the groin, which is sometimes painless. They can present with bony expansion causing bony pains. They may cause impairment in the production of the hemoglobin, white blood cell and the platelet. So platelet may fall because of the bone marrow involvement by the disease, by the cancer. And you may have bleeding, you may have low WBC or very high WBC, but those are abnormal WBCs, and you may end up with a pneumonia or an infection. Hemoglobin production may be affected, and you may have a low hemoglobin. All these are rare disorders, so I would suggest if you report or if you have any of these symptoms that I mentioned, persistent weight loss or fever or bleeding tendency or swellings in the neck or anywhere in your body, you need to go to your doctor, and a simple complete blood count or a CBC can many a times give us a bird's eye view of the potential problems that you might have in your blood. So if you have any more queries, please log on to our website, Apollo Hospitals, Navi, Mumbai, and feel free to ask any questions. Thank you.